Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new Star Stable Adventures Part 3 video. So today I'm going to be playing Star Stable, and we are going to be doing some more quests, chores, and ongoing and available, quests. And there's like a new race, oh my gosh, I got a friendship invitation. Thank you. So anyways, I got, there's like a friendship race in like another place, I think, yeah. And before we start doing the quests, chores, and more, I have like a special event. So next week or so, I'm gonna be opening up, what's it called, a Snow Stable account giveaway. So, the accounts will be, maybe has like Star Rider, and like one of them has Star Rider, like, and one of them has like store coins. Not one of them, like more. Get it? So yeah. So let's go to our trailer. So I'm gonna go in my trailer, not mine, like the trailer, and we're gonna be let's go see what we have. Hold on. Chores. Let's do chores. Steve's farm. Okay, let's go to Steve's farm. Sorry. Steve's farm. Pay with drawing shillings. So it's taking me to Steve's farm. So it might take a while. Oh, and by the way, for Pinta, there's like really adorable pony horses, which is actually cheap. I didn't know that, so I might get it in the future, like when I purchase Star Coins, more. So here we are, and we're gonna do some chores, cause why not? Like, I love chores. It's really helpful. Okay, so let's do some chores. By the way, if you didn't already know, I like to play Alicia Online. If you actually didn't know, oh my gosh, I have so many friendship invitations. I'm really excited. Okay, hold on. Is someone chatting me? Someone's chatting me, is it? Okay. I'm just gonna say chat hi, because why not? Hi. Audrey, hi. Okay. So you chat both of them hi. Okay, so let's dismount a horse, because why not? Dismount a horse. Come on. Okay. And we need to get the hay. Okay, so now I'm gonna be mucking the dirt or mud, I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna making it. Okay. I'm really bad at moving my characters. Just like, look at this, like like this. Look. Did someone reply to me? I'm just gonna see. Hold up. Hold on. Okay, I'm in. Okay, so someone replied me. Oh gosh. Okay, hold on. I'm done chatting. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I want to invite them to my group. Yeah, group. So I'm gonna reply. Do you want to join my club? Hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna be continuing doing this. It's just like I don't know why it takes so long. So you know it's just really hard for me to do stuff. Like if I put it here like far away, it just has no logic. Like it actually has logic, but when I go like a bit far away, it just it's just I can't really explain it. It's just so far, and it makes no logic at all. Someone keep checking that one. Okay, so I'm done doing my what's it called? My chores. Okay. Every day I'm daily. I think that's my achievement. Yeah, my achievement. Yay! Someone joined my club. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Fort Pinta because I'm gonna be doing a shopping spree because I really love shopping sprees. So I have like a bit of Okay, so I'm going to go to Fort Pinta because I'm gonna be doing a shopping spree. I have like 3,538 joy shillings. I just have no idea how. It's just like insane. Wait, actually, don't go to. Okay, so I'm gonna meet my friend in Silvergate because I wanna let her to join my group. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go to chat. There. Oh gosh, there's a really pretty no, really pretty thing. Okay, when am I going to join the club? Today. Okay. Okay. I actually want brand new helmets. Like I have no idea. Like what? Oh my gosh, I love this beanie. I just really want a beanie. Okay, I'm gonna purchase it. There we go. I purchased it. Yeah. Okay. Someone said yay. Oh my god, my friend did actually. Okay, I actually really like my beanie. Like it's true. I really like it. Okay. I might want to sell some items. Cause it's like to get some joy shillings so I can purchase stuff. Oh, what are these? Oh, wait, why did I say what are these? Okay, so I want to get a red bow like in my back, so I'm gonna get it soon. I'm gonna get a hat. I know hat. Actually, I don't have enough. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna where's the clothes? Where I get the clothes? Hold on. Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, so I didn't know that this was here, and I really want to get one of these. So I want to get this one, and actually I want to get one of these. This is so cute. I actually like it a lot. Um, I actually don't know which I want to get. These are just so nice. Um, mm, I want to get this. Actually no. Actually no. Do we have like a second one? My breathing is so weird. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Okay, my breath. Okay. Now I'm gonna like sell some of the items, like some clothes. So I'm gonna show this shoe. I'm really sorry. This shirt too. Oh gosh, I'm really sad. I'm just really sad. And this glove. Oh gosh, this was supposed to be a quest. I don't know why. I don't know why. I want to get brand new shoes. I don't have enough George links and store coins to get it. I want to get one of those shades because why not? Oh, I want a brittle. Oh, look at the love brittle. Actually, I want to stick with my brittle because it has the most experience in it. Okay, so I'm gonna be going on a different store. Okay, I'm gonna wrap the video soon. Okay. I want to go on to my character. I want to get new clothes for my character. I want to get long sleeves, long sleeves things, I don't know how you call it, like long sleeves, shirts. Actually, I like this. I like this hat. I like this, hat. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna purchase mine with Stark. Actually, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna put this on. Actually, I like this one. I'm gonna put it soon. I'm gonna put that there. Wait, you can sell it? Hold on. You can actually sell it. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I just bought it. Oh, I like this one. Look, I like this boots. I like this. I'm not sure. Okay. What about here? What about this? I really want birds. I like this birds, like hassle birds. But I'm not too sure. Actually, I'm gonna go to a hair salon. So let's go here. I want to see what I can buy, like me. Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna go to a hair salon. I'm gonna go to this clothes mall, clothes store. So I'm gonna enter it. Okay, now let's see what I can buy here. Oh gosh, these are so expensive. Okay, I'm not gonna enter that. Okay, I'm not gonna enter that. That's so expensive. I'm gonna instead I'm gonna go. Actually, what is this? I like this. I'm gonna check. Ooh la la, ooh la la. I actually like this glove. I actually not too sure. Oh, I like this stuff. Well, anyways, I'm gonna be wrapping the video here because my storage is sucking out. So I'll make sure you like the video because I'm gonna be making more surf staple videos. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications so I'll make sure I post every day or maybe next week or maybe like soon. So yeah, bye guys.